So these are the reviews of sonar electric kettle. So if you wish to buy, then I think you can check on this one. uh, Actually it's not pricey. I can say if you're looking for an electric kettle and you don't have much money, I think you can go for this one. First of all, the packaging was so okay. I bought it on an online store. The packaging was fine, there was no damages. And now I decided, you know what, let me also check uh, the way it is, and I decided to plug in, put water and let it boil and see how it is. And actually after putting in water and plugging in the socket, which the socket was so the wire is very strong. It's not as weak as any. I was thinking I would get a very weak wire because it was not that expensive, but the wire is so strong. I plugged in, I put water in. It took like 2 to 3 minutes of boiling, and it automatically shut off, and the water boiled very well. So overall, I can say it is good. So unless I use it for 2 or 3 times or more time, then I'll know the bad and the good of it. But overall, for the time being, I can say it is nice.